Introduction to Daily Step Goals in Samsung Health.
Setting a daily step goal is a great way to stay motivated and improve your health. Samsung Health makes it easy to set, track, and achieve your step targets. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a personal step goal, view your progress, and make the most of Samsung Health's features to support your fitness journey.
Accessing Samsung Health and navigating to step tracking.
Open the Samsung Health app on your compatible smartphone. From the main dashboard, you'll see various health metrics. Look for the Steps section, which displays your current daily count. Tap on the Steps card to access detailed information and customization options for your step goals. This is where you'll set up and monitor your daily targets.
Setting your daily step goal.
Within the Step screen, find the three-dot menu or the gear icon, usually located at the top right corner. Tap it to access settings. Look for the Set Daily Step Target or similar option. Enter your desired number of steps. You can start with the default, usually 6,000 or 10,000 steps, or choose a number that matches your personal fitness level.
Tracking progress and viewing history.
After setting your goal, Samsung Health tracks your daily steps automatically using your phone's sensors or a connected wearable. Each time you open the app, you'll see your progress toward the goal. Swipe down to view weekly or monthly trends. These insights help you identify patterns and stay motivated to reach your targets.
Tips for staying motivated and adjusting your goals.
Celebrating milestones and setting realistic goals are key to long-term success. Samsung Health rewards consistency with badges and summaries. If you find your goal too easy or too challenging, return to the step settings to adjust it at any time. Regularly reviewing your progress helps keep you engaged and on track toward a healthier lifestyle.